The cotton fields in Shawan City, northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region, are vast. Local farmers have turned to cooperative mode to increase farming yield. He Hongtao, director of Shawan Shuangquan Agricultural Machinery Specialized Cooperative, says the transition towards scale farming brings benefits to local people.
我们呢地里面的所有的收益，是按照目标收入，给大家呢保底分红，就是通过跑运输做小生意，他的在外面的收益应该比土地这个收益的更高了。大多数农户也不愿意说是把土地丢了，就想着咋样才能，咱们能共享土地的收益这个成果，也就说是咱们有被需要这个成分吧。
The cooperative has made individual farming into collective farming, enabling standardized management and large-scale production. Large agricultural machinery like planters and cotton pickers were introduced.
不光只能播种，到后面可以同时铺沫，到后面又可以同时铺地灌带，价格还不高，老百姓能用得起，你看好用。那时候我们的产量才200公斤，100多、200多公斤，现在我们已经普遍产量已经达到400多，高的甚至有500多公斤。
Shawan City now has over 540 cotton picking machines, with the mechanization rate exceeding 97%. In 2023, nearly 7,000 cotton pickers were in use across Xinjiang, with the mechanization rate exceeding 85%.